scaring you. Come on. Come on, Bubba's. Let's go outside. Come on, Weasley. Let's see what's scaring you. Come on. Come on. Let's go see what's over there. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. There's a big nasty crane over there. Oh my God. Get it. Are you going to get it? Okay, come on, Weasley. Come on. It's okay. You can run and hide.